All right, hey, how's everybody doing? Hope you guys are doing good. Finishing all your finals and stuff, man. Hope you guys get through it. My name's Jay, and I want to teach 10th through 12th grade. And I want to do like health and body movements and just different things like that. So I wanted to do this project on helping with the balanced diet. 'Cause I think it's most important besides working out. This is actually first before working out. So um, my class would basically have 2 3 weeks. This would be like a 2 to 3 week project, and using the seven standards is how we would try to go about it. So first, we would use the four C's. We would use the connection for the four C's, and I thought about this one for if we were to go through something like we are right now with this pandemic. My kids being able to FaceTime each other and have Zoom meetings with each other, whether they have to split up into groups or FaceTime, just doing two people together and just talking to each other about what they're eating and how they can change their eating habits and implement better eating habits into that, and then writing that down and probably sending it into me in a way. And then leader, I chose Google Sheets. I think this would be great to for them to be able to use. I mean, they can use this in the classroom, or again, if we're going through something like this, where they just have a laptop, get on Google Sheets, and just every day for at least a week be able to log their foods in, kind of like how this chart shows. Not the prices, obviously, but just from the food, just logging it in, vitamins, proteins, carbohydrates, everything like that. And just being able to log it and then seeing how much they actually eat. And I think like at the end of the week, it'll show them either they need to implement more healthy food or um, take out some healthy food and actually implement some type of sugars or something, because being too healthy can actually be bad for you. So the next, I love the idea of YouTube videos and actually using Screen-O-Matic. I've actually fallen in love with it. Um, just for the students to be, this would just be a different way other than writing down everything that they could make a YouTube video showing what they're eating, or make a YouTube video of them cooking a healthy food, something different like that, and then sending that in. And either I just take it for a grade, or I could just actually have them post it and do it during class. So the laptop keeps freezing. Sorry about that. Okay, it skipped way too much. Okay. So collaborator, I enjoy Pinterest, so I would just have them, everybody just get on their phones in class and make two different folders: a folder for their fast foods and a folder for their healthy foods. And with that, have them log at least 10 things in each folder, and then go around the classroom and just compare what they have, what the students have in their fast food and their healthy food folders. Designer, so just like I said with the YouTube videos, I also like presentations. And I think as a teacher, I would really enjoy presentations. You kind of just sit there and you get to grade on how they present themselves and how the slides are and things like that. I think that's way easier than just sitting and grading papers. So students would split up into groups of two or three, and just have everybody tell that their different side of how they helped with their balanced diet, because everybody's going to be different. And then at the end, just have a slide of things that they all technically did the same in a way, whether that was working out better or taking out fast food for a week and implementing different types of fruits and vegetables for a week or something like that. Just anything. So I like that idea. And then facilitator, I like the market space idea because it's pretty much like being in a classroom to me. But we kind of just spread everybody out. We'd have 4 to 5 people in a group, and I'd have the groups just separate what in their mind. I mean, just quick, probably take like 4 or 5 minutes in class, and just separate their good foods from their bad foods, what to eat or what not to eat, and then come up and present that in front of the class. And I mean, everybody's going to be different, but a lot is going to be the same. But just still be able to have that, being able to talk in front of people, I think that's important. So I really like to implement that into my classrooms. And the analyst, I love this one most definitely. So review day and game days. I think those days are really fun. So we take everything that they've learned from the past, however long the lesson will be. So I'll say 2 weeks, like 2 weeks, 2 3 weeks, and we'd have a Nearpod review. So we'd have the iPads or laptops or phones in the class, and you get on there and you can look over the review, you can go over the review, you can answer the questions, so that you'll be able to know. And then at the end of class, we'll have a Kahoot game. I think everybody enjoys Kahoot games because it's a way to review, but it's also really relaxing and it's competitive and everybody enjoys it. So we do that, and just asking them questions about what is actually, what is this actually a vegetable? Is this actually a fruit? What is actually the healthiest way to be eating? What time should you stop eating that makes it unhealthy when you go over that time? Just different things like that. Saying what they've actually taught themselves and learned through the week. And I mean, if all else fails, we can go to the arts and crafts, have kids, draw or, color what, whatever fruits and vegetables that they like, and splitting those up into different columns, and then drawing bad foods that, we all really enjoy, fast food, things like that. Or, we can just have group lectures. I can lecture in front of the class if need to be, if technology is down, if things are messed up and we can't use it. I can always lecture, while trying to make it fun. So having, asking questions and then letting the kids, split up to groups and have debates on different things like that. I think that would still make it fun. Kids can go outside. I love the outdoors, and we can go outside and we can do different, workouts and things, and help kids understand, well, doing this, and actually eating this will actually build, whatever muscles we may be working on, or different things like that. Or having the kids come up and just splitting the board in half, and each kid has to write two things, one healthy food and one bad food on each side, and then we can have a lesson on that, and just which ones do you guys really eat, and we can mark them off, and just different things like that. So that's how I would do it for my class. Just knocking that out like that, I think it would be a fun experiment. I think it would be a fun way to do it. And so thank you, Miss Maynard, for everything that you've done for me this year in this class. I truly appreciate it. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and hope you guys have a great rest of the semester, finish your finals. God bless. Thank you, guys.